Welcome to Newbie solution. So today I'm going to show you small changes in the coding part, and you will able to hear the play buttons in the user stat. So let me show you without wasting the time. So administrator, let me select one user, go to the user stat, and you will find there is no play button. You have to only download this one. So let me show you a small changes in the code line, and you will able to click here and you can download also, and the playback button is also available. So just open your putty and then go to srv www htdocs vicidial and then user stats.php. You can use the vi editor also. If you want to use the WinSCP to change the code, that is also feasible. There's no issue, but you have to change on, you have to go to this path and then you have to select the php file. Let me open this one. I have already coded it for the testing purpose. So let me uncomment this one. This is the line you have to add, okay, and just the upper side of the Vicidial agent outbound user manual calls, and you have to add here. So just add it. Let me save it. Now refresh the page. Boom. So here's the play button. Even you can download the file also. So if I'm going to play it, you can check.
Hi, good morning.
There's a volume button also. Even you can easily listen the audio.
So now after enabling audio control button, you don't need to download the audio files locally and then play it. You can just go ahead and play the recording directly from the browser with the help of these controls. So with a small change in code, you can enable this feature. If you need any customization in Vicidial, please reach out to us via email, Skype, or Facebook. We would be happy to help you. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such awesome content.